The battery is in the way of getting to the light, so the removal of two 10mm bolts will be a start to getting the assembly. This tab has to pop up, and just as I thought, now I have access to the light. And this is the one I'm after, the low beam. You press the plug, pull it out, and the light should twist out. I got these LED flash sharks from my friends over at Hot Glue. And that's how they compare. So this is a H13/9008 bulb. And we see what comes out is a 9008. 9008. That's the right light. I might add, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal when playing with electrical. The new bulb should twist right in the same way the old one came out, or the first way. And then it can plug into the OEM socket. That bulb's installed, 100%. Getting the light back in, you want to do that with some care. There are these guide holes that those studs will go into. And that clips back over, and the holes are lined up. These are with the LED bulbs.